Right now, I'm finna show y'all an easy, quick, simple, easy way to make jerk chicken. If you don't have a smoker, you can also do it in the oven. But we doing the smoker today, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all another day. Y'all leave in the comments and let me know, and I'll do other recipes. So, you know what I'm saying? So now what I do is, first thing first, the skin, pull it back like that. I'll pull all the skin back. Why? Because we finna show you right now what we finna do. All the skin back. Right? Let it dry. Let it dry as you could. You know? Now, let's go ahead and get our knife. Right? We're gonna get our knife and we're gonna poke some holes in it, man. So first thing I do is I just start poking little holes in it on the skin, you know what I'm saying? Poke holes. That's why, yeah. And like I said, some days I got more time. I really be, you know what I'm saying, finessing and going in. But I mean, yeah, for the most part, we cooking live. That's what we doing. Boom, right? Got some holes in it. Right. There's some holes in this house. There's some holes in this house. Boom. All right. Now, at this point, I'm going to get my olive oil. I'm gonna drizzle a little olive oil over this. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. All right. All right. Now here we just gonna start the seasoning process. So first things first, you're gonna hit it with some salt. Not a lot of salt, but just enough, right? Black pepper. Yes, yes, black pepper it is. Hit it with the black pepper. Right? All right. And what's a food that tastes like childhood, man? Y'all answer that. Black pepper, Gucci, right? Onion and garlic, of course, y'all. Onion and garlic, onion and garlic, right? Boop, 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 right? Onion. Here's the garlic. Here's the garlic. Smoked paprika is a must in this house, all right? It's a must. Now, I'm also throw some pimento seeds, allspice, whatever you want to call it, right? What I like to do is I like to stick that under the skin as well. So, all right, hold up. I tried to throw this little pole on for y'all or whatever, but I don't know. Let me see. I bet. So look, y'all. All right, y'all see it? Boom, boom, boom. All right, now let's get back to it. Let's get back to seasoning this thing here. All right. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in good. Boom, boom, boom. See that? Rub it in good. Good massage. Get some pimento seeds down the skin. You know what I'm saying? Get real. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go crazy with the food, man. Hit every crease and crevice. Don't be scared of it. You know what I mean? Be scared. See? See how I was missing mad seasoning? Rubbing together. Do whatever you gotta do. But yeah. Get that nice and right there. Boom. All right. Now, here we go. Boom. Right. Also, right now we're gonna hit it with this right here. It says natural seafood seasoning. But I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's fire on the chicken. Like it's fire. Just do a little bit. Just do a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. Then we're gonna get some jerk marinade. You know what I'm saying? I showed you how to make this from scratch a million times. But we can do it again on another day. Just let me know. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to put too much because I want to save some for the marinade on the outside that we finna do. Yeah. Just rub this in. Rub this in. Mm. It already smell like love in here. You know what I'm saying? This is a quick, easy way. Like I said, the way from scratch, make the jerk marinade from scratch and all that. We can go through that another day. Y'all just let me know. You know what I'm saying? And I'll make sure to if you want to learn that way. You can just do it this way though, for real. This way it's quick and easy. If you can't make the jerk marinade, just go buy it. The Walker's Wood, that's the best one. I'm gonna be honest with you. Walker's Wood is the best one. So boom, right? Boom, boom. All that in there. Look at that. See that? Boom. All right. Put the skin back over. Get some pimento seeds in there. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom. Skin back over. Boom. All right. This is a quick, look at this, y'all. See how good that look? It's gonna be the quick and easiest way. All right, and we're just gonna let this quote unquote marinate while we get the smoker ready. I'm finna get the smoker ready. Y'all finna come outside with me real quick. It's cold as hell. I know is it snowing in y'all city right now? It's supposed to be like a snowstorm throughout the whole like continents. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, man. I'll just be stuck in the kitchen though. Making good eat, you feel me? Laundry done. Hold up. All right now. Man, ask questions. Feel free to ask questions, drop comments, you know what I'm saying? I see Roger, my boy Roger is tuned in. You know what I mean? Y'all got any questions for me? Let me know. Let me know. We about to go outside. Mm-hmm. About to go outside. Hold up. Let me give y'all some FaceTime real quick. Oh, yo, what it do, y'all? We finna go outside real quick. You know what I'm saying? Get the smoke. I'm getting the smoker ready. This is the jerk chicken right here. This looks good. Smells so good, y'all. Can't wait to show y'all how we gonna do this. All right? We can make that.